no matter which decision you take always a decision to trade toward the orientation of TK cross. When you take decision for the trade, that is after the analysis, after the mini analysis thing. Take always a decision to trade toward H1 TK cross. That's number one rule. When you take decision right, the decision number one, during your decision, the decision number one must be respected. Number two, in case of transition, right? When you are in transition, Tenkan break SSB, and then on H1, Tenkan break SSB, trade toward the direction of H1 TK cross, toward the direction of TK cross H1. Let us take the present example. You see this example. What do you realize? We can realize that we are inside a transition setup, right? Tenkan is above the SSB, but Kijun is still below. But TK cross is to the upside. This cross is to the upside. You know what? Take this setup when the candles come to touch, when the candle goes down and touch SSB. When candle touch SSB, right, buy this. That's how you trade the transition. Buy this. Just buy. Keep going to the same direction. Buy it. Buy it mostly because Tenkan did not make an inclination to the downside. Just buy it. Buy. Buy the transition. Buy to take the order towards the direction of TK cross. That is the number two. That's how you make a decision. Now for continuity, when H1 TK cross has a python and with 3 touches, trade in the orientation of TK cross in H1. Let me show you this example. It's a very tricky example. You see this one? Let me show you. When the calendars arrive at this point, right? You already have a TK cross to the upside, right? You have passed the transition at this point, okay? But now you will start seeing candles inside Tenkan. You think that it's a dunk because you see a rail, a fat rail like this, like a python rail, and you may think that the price is about to reverse to the downside, but no. Keep buying TK cross. You have like 1 touch of Tenkan, 2nd touch, 3rd touch, 4th touch even. Buy. Keep buying. Buy your TK cross. Buy the TK cross in H1. The final decision is H1 TK cross. The final decision is H1 TK cross. Always. Buy it. Don't start saying that, oh, it is already it is already fat. I have a fat Python rail that's like this. So let me target a huge cell like this till somewhere here. No, don't do that. Keep buying this. Buy your H1 TK cross. You see how this Python faked you, right? It reduced the size going toward to the upside. SSB went and meet up SSA. Kijun went and meet up Tenkan to the upside. It did not reduce to the downside like this, the size of this Python. That's what you need to put in your mind. Put it in your head. Put it everywhere on your fridge. Now, let us go on number 4 for a decision. The decision is based on H1. Now, in case of correction, let us take this example just right here. In case of correction, when TK H1 is in correction, you must trade in the orientation of H4 TK cross. Okay, you see this correction. This one is a very tricky correction because when it happened, right, it is a little bit like this. Kijun is still going down, like straight down, but Tenkan is making like a small granite type of move. It is not a normal correction like this. It is not a long correction like this. It's just a small granite, like it's not that big. The TK correction here is not that big. You cannot even saying that you stay in correction. So it's not like TK didn't make something as long as this one. It just made a small thing like this, and then everything continue. The deep trend continue. You know what you will do now? You go on 4 hour. When you see this type of thing, you will know, you will see. Candle red, the 2 red candle will tell you that this thing, you go on 4 hour. You need to go on 4 hour. When you go on 4 hour, what you will do will be trade in the direction of H1, H4, H4, TK cross during that correction. During that correction, right? Sell. H4 TK cross is to the buy side, to the sell side. Just sell. Sell it. Sell it. Don't get fooled by any type of correction. Sell it. Sell the H4 TK cross. Sell it. Sell it here. Mostly when you see this Tenkan bending down like this bend down Tenkan, sell this one. You may think that the buy will continue because H1 Tenkan is bended to the upside from this candle till here. You may think that the buy will continue, but H4 TK cross is to the downside, and H1 start bending down like this. Sell. Sell. So next, for the reversal, when the price is in the emptiness of H1 and H4, go on 5 minute and 15 minute entry and buy. And your buys must be inside the must be also, if you go and look your buy in H4, you will see that it is in the empty space. Let us take one example. Let us take this example. You see, we are in a empty space here, right, in H4. That's the reversal that we want to buy. And we are in an H1 empty space also here, right? We don't touch any, this candle doesn't touch any Ishimoku line. So go on 15 minutes, buy the TK cross before the cloud. Buy the TK cross before the cloud. Buy it. Buy this. It is in the empty space of H4. Buy this. Just buy this. You can even go on 5 minutes. Buy this. You can buy it earlier like this in 5 minutes. And you know that this TK cross, and you know that in 5 minutes, what happened? You always have that 1, 2, 3 TK cross to slow down, to break the speed of the car, to have a new direction. So just be aware of that, but buy. Buy it, bro. Buy. Don't argue with the price, just buy it. Don't come and fix your nose inside 5 minute candles because 5 minute candles are doing like this. As I saying that maybe it will not go up. Buy that asset. Buy it. Buy. That's how you buy the reversal. That's how you trade the transition. That's how you trade the continuity. That's how you trade the correction. That's all I have to say for this video. That's the order. That's the orderness.